checking TikTok live. Okay, bet. Bet it up, bet it up. All right, it's live over there. Now let me start the other TikTok live because we got multiple TikToks. You feel me? What's up, YouTube? We're about to get into this major market breakdown. Dizzy. Let's pull up some charts. I hope everyone's doing great today. Just optimizing everything. I want to set this up here. Hold on. All right, bet. I wish I could figure that out later. Saw the XRP bull we had going on. Let's look at the dollar because we had a very colorful week last week. So like last week you could have like been really right about where you thought the dollar was going. But let me explain. So the Fed came out very dovish, right? So we got to push higher just because of the incoming liquidity, which is what we predicted here with this little line, and then a drop off because of the dovishness that they were showing. And then the central bank over across the sea in Europe came out and was like even more dovish than the US Fed. So basically the dollar looked better by comparison. So we got this push higher. Let me get this out our way. We got this push higher just due to how it looked in comparison, but awkwardly during all of this, while all this was happening, institutional money was building up a lot of orders to the sell side. So institutional money wants to sell it. My personal EMA strategy down here that I been working on. It's not fully finished. Like I'm not finished back testing it. This is that right here. I think somebody else scripted it. Scripted it out, but I just put in my own edits and whatnot. And I'm getting one of my higher term. Like I really usually only trust these on the hourly. These signals here, but we're getting one off of these areas, so I think we're gonna start actually seeing some downside on the dollar, which means let's go back over to my best friend over here. It's my best friend, my bestie, the euro dollar. Let's get on a higher time frame. Start doing all that. Got the euro dollar here. We're waiting for more upside on the dollar. I'm only looking for buy setups, especially with the fact that institutional money is looking to short the dollar. If you're gonna want to trade with big money, I'm gonna be on the same side of that. So most of institutional money is on more leaning towards the sell side. There is still some institutional money on the buy side, but it just outweighs. So right now, I'm honestly looking for like a touch of me personally. I just want to fill in all of this. You know what I mean? I feel like she'll probably start giving us some sort of buy setup under that low, right up under this low here. Now it might stop short and start pushing higher, but I really like to see something, some strong momentum, maybe some liquidity about volume coming into the market around this area. Um, Go look at GU. I said it out loud and typed it. I didn't think about it. Oh God, that was so. See, I said on the last stream, I was like, I'm gonna drag this out. I'm gonna drag this all the way out because I feel like it's gonna be important. Look where it stopped at, and like we said, same thing with the euro. They got really dovish over there, and it sent this joint flying down. You know what I mean, to this area here. I like how it's already so close to these lows. You know what I mean? Uh, we'll probably start seeing something that we want to buy in this area here. Yeah. It would probably look like, if I had to show you exactly what it would look like, probably look something like this. If I'm taking this specific entry here though, like I'm not gonna have like a crazy stop. Why are you? Oh, because I'm stupid. Something like this. And I'd like her to wick me in, you know what I mean? Like just to barely even want to be down there, and then it just starts, you know what I mean? That would be uh-oh. That would be the most lovely scenario. We're not quite in that oversold range. So we're gonna wait. I feel like it's probably gonna be dipping out of these bands once we get down in this area, and we're gonna be feeling good about it. Oops. Let's look at gold. For all my gold traders out there, I love you. I don't trade gold that much though. I mean, I look at it every week, but I don't really trade that much. So like, gold's been doing so fucking great. Gold's been doing so good. I'm bullish personally on gold. I honestly would have liked to see more of a little bit of correction down here, but I don't think we're gonna get it. With especially with the dollar about to probably start showing some weak signs and going towards the downside. Um, if anything, we get like we slide like right up in this area, in this 2105 ish area. I think that'd be the lowest. She'll probably give up, if that at all. Honestly, if like she might not even give that up. Let's go down to the hourly. Well, yeah, no, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. That's yeah, that's mad reasonable. That's mad reasonable. Um, I'd look to get in like up under here. Honestly, like in this little gap here. Look in there. Um, Stop loss likely below this last low here. This one's the one I'm talking about. And Grio. Yeah. Yeah. Those TPs aren't set. I just be trailing. I just be trailing stop losses. And then we'll go look over at the crypto market. Coinbase. Gots to use Coinbase, my brother. Gots to use Coinbase, my brother. No. What we got? I haven't looked at Bitcoin in a couple of days. I mean, it's probably gonna keep buying. Oh yeah, it's like a little running flat. Finish the running flat now. Um, this right here is called a running flat. If you don't know what a running flat is, then tap in to the chats because we be talking about like a whole bunch of different concepts and things that we be using, ways to look at the market and how to make sense of some of this that be going on. But this is a little running flat that's done now, and it kind of looks like it wants to just like Cleo, like like it. I ain't gonna lie, I would not be surprised like at all. Where's am I tweaking? Yeah, I'm tweaking. I would not be surprised at all if we just get something like that. Not even a little bit. Um, because look outside right now. It's like, okay, there's all this stuff like all this math and all these technicals and all these things that go into these charts and whatnot and into making money. But I like to make it pretty simple for myself. And like with certain things, little things, like I see a flat. I know what a running flat is. I see that's completed, and I saw this run towards all time high, but breaking all time highs. And we just transitioned into spring. It looks good outside. It's not a whole bunch of extrally negative things in the media right now. It's fairly positive, at least here in the US. I mean, of course, there's always going to be, you know what I'm saying, bad things going on, but like overall, the market is in pretty good spirits right now. So like, I don't see much of a reason for like people that's holding stake to let go of it. Like the holders. Nah, like this right here, this whole flat is some people taking profits, but they're just like not. They're a lot of that is knocking just a little bit off the top. More is holding, taking profits, throwing some back in, and like, um, nah, it looks strong. It looks strong. Like we could get a correction towards uh this area here, and I'm not gonna ignore it and act like it doesn't exist because it does. We could definitely head towards there, and that'll be like a little touch at between like 57 and 54K ish. 57 maybe. Like it probably like 54 is probably like a mad low. Like I don't think she should even touch there right now, but that's 100% possible she could go straight there this week, but I don't think. I think her next push is going to be higher, at least for the short term right now. U.S. oil. I'm weak. I said, oh, I type OS oil, my boy. He type OS oil. um. U.S. oil is gonna head for that box I already have marked. I don't I think I marked that last week, or no, I think I marked that during the midweek. No, 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 that was last week. Yeah, it was last Sunday. I marked that. Um, got this old retail looking head and shoulders formation going on. I'm noticing something in the markets like as the market cycles go and continue and trend and go around and round and round over like year over year, like it's like you get certain like spells of time where it's heavily like retail concepts are just hit, hit, and then it's like on the other end of it, smart money is more so like those concepts are more so what's winning in the markets. And then there's also like a phase in between where it's just like, you know what I mean? And it's just like you got to trade off straight intuition. At least for me, that's how it is for me. Like after trading for almost a decade now, um, those are like the three phases of the market that I be feeling. It's like you got heavy retail, you got heavy smart money, and then you got to just trust yourself and hope you like that. For real, for real. But yeah, I can see gold heading for this here, then giving us another push, impulsive move higher to the upside. Um, that does mean gas prices are gonna go up, guys. What does that mean for your pockets? That means gas prices may go up. It's not gonna be something extremely crazy, but once we break this top, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna notice. You're like, oh shit, gas kind of crazy. I'm gonna go to that other one. You're gonna start trying to go to that other one. Once over at that top, you gonna start trying to slide to that other gas station. Aye. But no, that's all for the markets, really. I'm about to up on the game for sure. I ain't been on the game all day. I ain't touched the game all day. Um, we'll switch all the camera dillies around. And I'm gonna start another live. You know what I mean? But I don't want to be fucking with the audio and everything. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment what y'all think about these markets, what y'all think is going on. Maybe you think I'm wrong, maybe you think I'm right. Shit, like excuse my language. Let me know what y'all think in that section. And after you do subscribe, hit that bell icon because you're gonna want to know when I'm dropping more of these so you can make these monies. Because I'm here to help y'all make these monies. So, I love y'all. Be kind to somebody today.